Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm moving. I guess I will take you guys with me. I look so crusty, so I'm using a Snapchat filter. Yay! So you guys don't have to experience so much of my crustiness. I have like these two buns in my head because I just don't have the time today. But I'm going to give you an empty apartment tour of my old apartment that I'm moving out of, because I never showed you guys this apartment ever, I don't think. Okay guys, keep in mind that I am moving, so it's like a lot of stuff around still, but technically it's empty, and my roommate already moved out, so her room is like completely empty, and I'll just show you guys the apartment. Alright guys, so when you walk in, there is like not a key, it's like a, I don't know how to explain it, it's like a little knob thing, and you put your key in here, and it just kind of makes a little noise and unlocks. I don't know. So we have like a super long hallway, and then like you see some of my stuff that I'm moving out right there. Our floor is sticky, so don't mind that. But this was my room. When you first walk in, there's a closet right here. My closet was humongous. It had like, I love those little racks. It made it a lot easier to keep everything super organized. And then you go into the bathroom, and it's me, hey y'all. And just a regular plain bathroom, but again, like a ton of storage, which was super, super nice. Regular toilet, regular shower, and then this is the room. And then, excuse our floors, guys. We're moving, like I said, so like the floors got super dirty, we still have to clean. When you come out here, you see all my stuff, but this was the living room slash like dining area. And then I'll try to show you guys the view that we had. It was pretty nice. It's a lot of cute buildings and stuff. And then this is the kitchen. So this was our island. We had some bar stools here. Like, again, a ton of storage is what I really appreciate about this place. And then just like a regular, typical kitchen, really deep sink, dishwasher, stove, what is that, a microwave, and then more storage right here, and then our fridge, and then again, more storage. So I'll just give you like another quick overview angle of what used to be our kitchen. And then this was my roommate's room, so just another bedroom. And then the nice thing about her room was she had like this closet situation, and then her bathroom had a tub, and then basically same. Excuse me. Okay guys, so I just want to give you a better look of the apartment now that most of the stuff is cleared out. I gotta close all these doors. I was letting them air dry because I cleaned out. You know, when you move out, you gotta clean up. So everything is pretty much gone out of here. That's my roommate. She gotta get this. But I wanted to show you guys this view one last time. So this was my view. I'm definitely gonna miss it. Don't know what kind of view I'm gonna be getting, but we'll see. So I hope you guys liked that quick apartment tour. When I move into my next place, whenever that is, because I've been having some serious issues with moving into my new apartment. Yo, my eyebrows look bad. Wow, they look bad. Okay, yeah, but I've had some serious issues moving into my new place. It's not ready yet. It's still under construction, so it's been just a mess, guys, honestly, and stressing me out and giving me anxiety, and it's just been all bad. But maybe I'll do another video explaining like what's going on with my moving situation. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.